Now I know steps and retaining walls like this really can add to that landscape budget.
Oh, Danny, they can. But you know, sometimes you've got a property where, because of the hillside, you have to use some kind of system of terracing. Now, there are some different materials that you can use for that. Timber is one way to go. It is less expensive, but the problem is it's not going to last very long. So if you can spring for it, carve out that budget, I recommend every time that you use some type of stone or brick. Now, one of the things we've discovered is that in different parts of the country, there are different types of native stone. So if you can actually go out there and find some of that, you not only build a wall that will last your entire lifetime and beyond, but it's gorgeous and it reflects where you live.
Now, it's very expensive because of being so labor intensive,
Yeah.
but a little cheaper alternative is to pour a concrete footing, use cinder blocks, then put a stucco finish over the front of it. It is a little bit less expensive, but the main thing, you've got to build it good and strong because of the pressure of the dirt and the water that's behind the wall can be a big problem. One thing you also need to remember, these homeowners didn't, weep holes. You've got to have some holes in here to allow the water to drain out.
That's right, Danny. Another thing that we do is we put gravel behind the entire length of the wall because that takes that water, disperses it along the whole length. But you know, if you do some of those things like the gravel and the weep holes, you will build a wall that will last forever. And it's just beautiful to look at.